West, and I'm going to show you who got the most on the Saturday rain. Little frontal boundary kicks through, really no adjustment on temperatures, but welcome to August. Speaking of temperatures, let's go to San Fernando Cathedral, our beautiful birthplace of San Antonio, and show you this August in a nutshell. Welcome to our 8th month. In fact, now we're well over halfway to 2027. Isn't that incredible? So just the opposite of July. It's really cool because July 1 to July 31, we would go from an average high of 94 to 97. Well, now we just flip it. From August 1, our average high is 97, and by the end of the month, 94. You can see we'll go down to 73. Rainfall, we should get a little more than 2 inches in the gauge. Speaking of, we had some pretty good downpours to our south. Oh my gosh, it's the weatherman, Bill Taylor. He's a giant now. Look how big I am. All right, are we going to adjust this? Or here we go. All right, so you can tell I'm much bigger than the rest of the weather team. All right, so here we go. Now there he is. We got the showers down to the south today. Let's take a look at who saw what rainfall, mainly west. It was right around Lakey, Camp Wood, north of Uvalde. I mean, they didn't need another drop, but it was over 3 inches, 2 inches near Lakey, over 2 near south of Rock Springs here. And also for San Antonio, about 1/10 of an inch on the south side was all that really measured up. The best rainfall, close to 4 inches on I-35 south towards Cotulla. Outside tonight, skies are mostly clear, 87, winds are calm. You can see the flags are still, and that has been that's pretty rare. I mean, the last several nights have been pretty breezy. All right, 99 for us, but 102 Seguin, 103 Gonzales, 101s to our south, 100 at New Braunfels and the state capital, 102 over at Eagle Pass. From San Antonio International, our 99, just a couple of degrees above average and only 4 away from a record from 2011. All right, so the high, the reason why we got the rain yesterday, it just kind of slid a little bit to the west. Well, now it's moving back to the east for this week. So a lot of dry air is going to be right over top of us. And when this happens, that can really heat us up. So we're going to probably hover in the upper 90s to 100. Tomorrow morning, we start clear, and then we're going, computer model thinks, right at triple-digit heat to start your work week. And with 100 means that we're probably going upwards of 103 or 104 on what it's going to feel like. So please remember the heat-related symptoms. If you're going to be outside, when you stop sweating, you've moved from heat exhaustion to heat stroke. When faint and dizzy spells are accompanied with a blinding headache, when you start running a fever of like 103, that's definitely time to call 911. All right, our 14-day forecast, upper 90s will be the rule, 10% chance mainly south of an isolated shower. Just could kick it up in daytime heating. San Antonio stays dry. We get back to average to wrap up the work week and the 8th and 9th, the weekend, 97s with skies partly clouded and mostly sunny. Notice something here? No chance of rain. I mean, we're going into a pretty dry pattern as we get through mid-August. First day of school, Monday the 10th. Don't forget the school zones. So, Kristen Urban, what about